Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect calendar right here to Claude AI. And if you want to do this, we go left in the bottom to your name, and you can do this too on the web browser because that works exactly the same. And then select right here on settings, and then we go right here to connectors, and then we do browse connectors, and then we search right here for Google Calendar. Now you can search right here for Google Calendar, but you can also find it immediately right here. And then we click right here on this plus icon, and then he will send us right here to the Google Calendar page. Then right now we can log in with one of our email addresses. Then we can do select all right here, then we do continue. And then right now we go back to Claude AI. And now if you can see, it's standing right here, Google Calendar. And now we just connected Google Calendar right here to Claude AI. So this is how you can connect Google Calendar to Claude AI. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.